Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, lane departure warning, stability control, backup camera, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, LED headlights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.